Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert symbols in Word with using keyboard. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert symbol in this document using keyboard. Press Alt Ctrl T. Otherwise you can apply another symbol. Press again Alt Ctrl C. Again Ctrl Alt T. Now we can see here we insert symbols in Word using keyboard very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.